Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the PowerDeWise wireless microphone, wired microphone and LED video light. You can get the wireless microphone on Amazon for about $22. Check out the link in the description. The microphone comes with a receiver with a USB-C port, a charging cable and a user manual. Using the microphone is very easy. You just have to plug in the receiver and turn on the microphone. The microphone is supposed to work with most smartphones. Unfortunately, it did not work with my Samsung Galaxy A51, but it works perfectly with my Samsung Galaxy A52. With the included charging cable, you can charge the microphone and the receiver at the same time. This is an audio test recorded with my smartphone. And this is an audio test recorded with a plugged-in microphone. The audio quality with the wireless microphone is better than without the microphone, but not as good as I was hoping for. So let's check out the wired microphone. You can get the wired microphone on Amazon for about $33. Check out the link in the description. The microphone comes with an extension cord, a stereo adapter for PC, camera or audio recorder, replacement wind muffs, a quick start guide and user guide on the back of the packaging. This is an audio test recorded with my smartphone. And this is an audio test recorded with a plugged-in microphone. This is an audio test recorded with my camera. And this is an audio test recorded with a plugged-in microphone. The audio quality with a wired microphone is much better than without using an external microphone, and in my opinion also better than using the wireless microphone. You can get the LED video light on Amazon for about $22. Check out the link in the description. The device is small and lightweight and very easy to use. Charging time is about 2 hours. If the rechargeable battery is empty, you can also use a power bank or a power outlet to operate the device. The video light works great with my camera and also with my smartphone video kit. The quality of my videos when using the LED video light is much better than without using it. If you want to improve the quality of your video production, I would recommend getting a PowerDeWise microphone and LED video light. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about these products, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.